This video is para sa mga gustong mag-travel vlogging without any experience. This is coming from a beginner's perspective, so I'm also a beginner. And I have so much respect sa mga travel vloggers out there kasi for the first time, sinubukan kong gumawa ng travel vlog. Gumawa ako ng travel vlogs na series dito sa YouTube channel ko from Vietnam. Na-realize ko na it's something that I really enjoy doing and I wanted to be good at. Mas sanay kasi ako sa mga sit-down videos like this where I'm just sitting in my room, talking in front of the camera. Na-realize ko na travel vlogging is a whole lot different from sit-down videos. And after editing yung mga footages namin from Vietnam, I realized na there are so many room for improvement. So here are the things that I've learned from travel vlogging for the first time. So number one is when you're shooting handheld, it tends to get shaky. So kailangan mong practicein yung paghawak ng camera without the shaky camera movement. Marami akong dinelete or kinot na footages because of this. Siyempre, ayokong mahilo kayo, ganyan. Pero I feel na it tends to get better with practice. I never thought that holding a camera would be so difficult and would be so crucial sa experience ng viewers mo. So I feel na yung solution to this is practice and also try mong i-hold mo muna yung breath mo while shooting the video or i-try mong maglakad slowly para makuha mo yung shot na gusto mo. So definitely try not to make your viewers dizzy. So practice shooting handheld. Number two, when you're creating a story sa mga vlogs mo, don't forget to shoot an establishing shot. So, yung establishing shot is pinapakita mo yung place or setting ng character mo so that the viewers could understand yung transition ng bawat scenes. So, usually nakikita ko to sa mga Filipino soap operas. Nung nag-travel kami sa Vietnam, nakakalimutan kong mag-shoot ng establishing shot. So, like for example, pag kakain kami sa isang restaurant, minsan nakakalimutan kong i-shoot yung labas nung restaurant. Kung hindi ka magva-vlog, di ba normally papasok ka lang sa isang restaurant para kumain. Pero kapag nagva-vlog ka pala, kailangan pala magpaiwan ka sa labas, i-shoot mo yung establishing shot mo bago ka pumasok sa loob. So, yung mga kasama mo, nandun na sa loob, ikaw nasa labas pa rin. So, that's one of the things that I've learned sa travel vlogging. The next point here is bring whatever you need para hindi maubusan yung memory mo or yung battery mo in the middle of your travel. So, you should bring mga extra memory cards, power bank, or hard drives. Even though only 50% lang ng mga kinuha mo is yung mag-e-end up sa final video mo, I feel na importante pa rin na meron kang mga extra shots or mga safety shots just in case, especially if you're a beginner. Ako ang ginawa kong diskarte since I'm only shooting with my smartphone. Ang ginagawa ko, nagdala ko ng hard drive. So, at the end of the day, ita-transfer ko yung mga shots ko dun sa hard drive na yun para the next day, meron akong clean slate. Siyempre, I don't want to be, that someone na hindi ako makapag-video kasi puno na yung memory ko. So, definitely, that's one thing that you can do. One of the minor problems when you're travel vlogging is that how can you enjoy the moment being present while capturing those moments that you want to look back someday. So, medyo nagmumultitask ka dito. Na-experience ko to nung nanood kami ng theater sa Vietnam and pwedeng mag-video sa loob ng theater, okay? So, I was able to record it. So, ang ginawa ko, yung smartphone ko, nilagay ko siya somewhere lower here. Tapos, chine-check ko siya from time to time. Like, chine-check ko kung naka-focus ba or in-frame ba, pero nanonood ako mismo from my eyes to the theater. Does that make sense? Basta diretso akong nanonood dun sa theater, not in the smartphone. So, ayun, I feel na magandang trick yon to really enjoy the moment while capturing that moment. Next thing that I've learned is sometimes it's better to leave the camera on. This is a case-to-case basis, okay? Alam ko, you should shoot with intention para hindi ka mahirapan sa editing. Pero kung alam mo may important na mangyayari, meron kang ina-anticipate na mangyayari, I feel na mas maganda i-on mo na lang yung camera mo. just leave it on. The first time na sasakay kami sa isang cable car ride, I was able to capture those moments no first time kaming na cable car ride. I believe na those are the moments na you just need to leave your camera on kasi andyan na yung moment eh. Kaysa yung kukuha ka pa ng cellphone sa bag mo, tapos i-on mo pa, tapos yan, capture mo yung moment. Mas maganda na i-leave mo na lang na on. And also, I was able to capture yung moment na biglang umulan habang nandun kami sa Golden Hand Bridge. So, that was one of my favorite things to watch ng mga travel vlogs ko kasi na-capture ko talaga yung moment, yung emotions na biglang umulan. So, those are the moments na hindi mo na mauulit-ulit eh. So, ayan. So, yun yung mga case-to-case basis na importante na i-leave mo na lang yung camera mo na naka-on. Minsan may isang tao na nagsabi ng joke tapos tumawa lahat. I wanted to capture those moments. So, pero hindi naman lahat kailangan mong videohin. Find the perfect balance between the two. The next thing that I've learned is if you're a beginner, yung mga shots mo, it's not going to be perfect. But the good news is there's always room for improvement. You learn these things on the journey. I know na mas maganda na magkaroon ng wide shot, medium shot, close-up shot, creative shot. But when you're travel vlogging, may mga times na hindi mo na talaga magagawa yung mga yon. So, it's good to plan kung ano yung mga isushoot mo, but also be flexible and be okay if hindi mo magagawa yung mga shots na yon. Meron pa namang next times. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. The next thing that I've learned is also to have fun. This is supposed to be fun. When you're traveling, may mga times na nakakapagod mag-vlog. What more kung nag-vlog ka pa at the same time. So, it's important that you remind yourself that you are there to create memories. And for adventure, you're supposed to be there to have fun. Ito yung pagod na masaya. So, don't worry much about sa mga shots na hindi mo nakuha. Ang importante, nag-enjoy ka. The next thing that I've learned is less gear is better when you're traveling. Bago kami umalis for Vietnam, I did my research. I searched how to vlog using your phone only kasi wala ako nung mga gimbals, wala ako nung DSLR with video. Meron lang ako ditong DSLR for pictures. Wala ako nung drones. Meron lang akong smartphone and maliit na tripod. I found out that if you're a beginner, it's better to start with what you have first. Use it, know what's working, and upgrade later. Especially when you're travel vlogging, mas importante na mas konti lang yung dala mong gears kasi mas ma-enjoy mo yung experience. Mas convenient sa'yo pag nag-travel ka and mas hassle-free sa pagkuha ng shots kapag may moment na gusto mo i-shoot. Kunin mo lang yung smartphone mo, then shoot it. May nakita kang butterfly, tapos alam mo may tendency na alis siya sa pwesto niya. So, mas madaling kumuha ng shot with your smartphone, di ba? Less gear is better when traveling. Upgrade your skills first bago ka mag-upgrade ng gears mo. The next thing is capture emotions. Emotions are important for the experience of the viewer. Do you want them to feel inspired? Do you want them to feel happy, sad, angry? Kasi yan din yung mga masarap balikan na moments yung emotions ng subject mo. The next thing that I've learned is to review your shots habang nasa filming stage ka pa. Kung kaya mong ayusin yung shot during filming stage, ayusin mo na kaysa yung aayusin mo siya sa editing stage. Kasi mas mahirap i-fix yung shot sa editing stage. Pag blurred yan, wala ka nang magagawa kapag blurred yung shot mo. Unless, maybe, meron bang way to fix your blurred shots? Let me know in the comments below. The next thing that I've learned is it's harder to vlog on a limited time. Naintindihan ko naman na limited yung time namin kasi jam-packed yung itinerary namin, which is good kasi marami kaming nakikita on a limited time. But it's harder to vlog. May mga times na 15 minutes lang kami sa isang lugar. So, you have to be creative. So, maganda rin yun kasi napapractice yung quick thinking skills mo na naiisip mo na agad kung ano yung mga creative shots na gusto mong gawin. It's definitely harder to vlog on a limited time, but dun napapractice yung quick thinking skills mo and yung creative skills mo. The next thing that I've learned is ito medyo basic to and medyo common sense, pero don't forget to press record. So, minsan kasi, sobrang saya mo sa travel mo at you're in the moment, nakakalimutan mo nang i-press yung record. And nagvo-vlog ka eh. So, ayun, medyo frustrating and at the same time, okay lang din kasi at least you're enjoying the present moment. So, ayun, don't forget to press record, guys. Okay, the next thing is yung editing stage. So, I advise na huwag ka muna mag-edit agad. Meron akong 3 steps bago ako mag-edit. So, number 1 is check mo yung videos mo one by one. Alam ko, marami yan. Pero kailangan mo talagang gawin to. Next is i-delete mo yung mga accidental shots, i-delete mo yung mga dizzy shot. And next is i-rename mo yung shot na yon by number. So kung mag-edit ka through chronological order, i-rename mo yung shots na yon by number. And also kung marami kang time and it helps you, i-rename mo din kung ano yung shot na yon. That way, mas madali mong ma-identify kung ano yung video na yon. It takes a lot of time, pero mas madali sa editing. Mas tuloy-tuloy ka sa editing. If you're not sure kung i-delete mo yung shot na yon, kung gagamitin mo yung shot na yun sa final video mo, huwag ka muna mag-delete. Siguro, doon ka na lang mag-delete sa editing time mismo. The next thing is just do it. It's great to learn a lot from watching videos like this or other travel vlogging tips videos here on YouTube. Pero you learn more from experience. You learn more about yourself. You learn more what's working for you, what's not working for you. So just do it, guys. Alam ko marami pa akong kailangang improve sa mga travel videos ko. Trust me, I'm working on it. I'm sure marami pang tips out there na hindi ko nabanggit sa video na to. Meron akong na-miss na tips about travel vlogging for beginners. Please comment them down below and I'll see you guys in the next video ko. Bye!